today let's start with chapter number 6, Introduction to Paint. In this chapter, I will tell you about Paint program, right? Paint is a drawing program that helps us to draw and color beautiful pictures and shapes on the computer. And Paint is developed by Microsoft, right? So opening Paint. To open Paint, we have to follow the steps like click on the start button. The start menu get displayed, right? Scroll down to found window accessories application. Then click on drop down arrow of window accessory. Click on paint option to paint window. On what you have to click? You have to click on paint option, right? Then you can also open paint by given steps. Like I will tell you the steps. Type paint in the search box in the taskbar. Click on paint tab. The paint window will appear like this. Let's study about the components. First of all, I will show you how to open a paint program. So for that, you have to go to start button. Then you can search over here paint. This is your paint program. Like this, your paint window will appear, right? This is our paint window, right? Now let's study about the components. We have quick access toolbar. It is present at the top left corner of the paint window. It contains commands to quickly save the drawing, make a new drawing and so on. Then we have ribbon which is present just below the quick access toolbar. It has two tabs, file tab, home tab and view tab. Right? Next is drawing area. It is the white space area where we draw and color. The area where you can draw and color. Now working with paint tool. You can see over here, this is your pencil tool. It works like pencil. By this, using this, you can make freehand drawing. This is fill with color, which is used to fill the color. This is text, which is used to type the text in a drawing. This is eraser tool. It is used to erase a drawing or a part of it. This is color picker tool. By this, you can copy the color from a drawing. This is magnifier tool, which is used to magnify a drawing. With the help of this, what you can do, you can magnify a drawing. Now let's study about the pencil tool. Now click on the pencil tool, click on the drop down arrow size box and select the line thickness. Click on the color first box and choose the color from the color group and then move the pointer to the drawing area and start making drawing. Let's make it over here also. So what we will do? We will go to pencil tool and then we will go to size, whatever size you want to select and the color. So what we will write here? Like this, by using pencil tool, you can write any color you can use. If you want to use green, you can also use green. What we have written? Compute. Right? Now, let's see the eraser tool. So, eraser tool, to use eraser tool, we will follow some steps. You have to click on the eraser tool and then choose the width of eraser size. And whatever part you want to erase, you can erase with the help of eraser tool, right? Then we have fill with color. What is fill with color tool? When you want to fill the color in drawing, you will click on the first box and color group and you can fill, right? Let me show you how to fill the color in a drawing. Like this, I have drawn a circle. Now, square. If you want to fill the color, you will go to this tool and then you can choose the color. Like I have choose yellow. You will click on this. Like this, you can use the fill with color tool. Now we have text tool. Now click on the text tool. Move the pointer to the drawing area where text to be inserted, and you will press the left click mouse button and you can add the text and then click on color first. Choose the color of the text from the color group. Type the text. After typing the required text, click anywhere outside. Like this, it is written sun and moon. Like this, you can write. Right? Now, let's study the brushes too. So click on the drop down below the brushes button and a list of brushes is displayed. Click on the desired brush style and whatever size you want to choose, you will click on color one box. Move the pointer to the dining area. Keep the left mouse button pressed and start making drawing. Right? You can make a drawing by using brush. I will tell you later. First, let's study the shape tool also. Now, shape group. The shapes group in Paint is used to draw different types of shapes like rectangle, triangle, and square. You can use different shapes from the shape box and you can draw them. Then we have line tool. For that, click on the line tool in the shape group. Click on the size of the box. Click on the color one. Select the color from where you want to draw. Now move the pointer from where you want to draw a line. You can draw and don't forget to click on the left button. Now next is curve tool. It is used to draw a smooth wavy line. First of all, click on the curve tool, click on the search box to select line thickness. Move the pointer to the drawing area, drag the mouse to draw a line. Remember to keep the left click button of the mouse pressed. Now click on the line and drag to make a curve. Right? Now polygon tool. So polygon tool, it is used to make any number of sides. Right? So click on polygon tool with the shape group, click on the size box, move the pointer to the drawing area, drag the mouse keeping the left click button pressed, release the mouse button to make a line. Then you have to click anywhere in the drawing area and your previous lines appear. You can repeat it 5 times and you can make polygon from that. Now, first of all, let me show you about all the tools that I have seen. First of all, let's see the First of all, let's see the brushes. These are the brushes. Different brushes you can choose from here. Let's do the thickness red. Like what you can write anything, whatever you want to write. Like this. Like we have written come. Come. Right? Any type of brush you can use from here. Let's use this one. Change the colors. Right? Any type of color you can. Now, next was your shape tool. You can draw different shape like I have taken this. It's your choice. Circle, your square, right? Like this you can make different shape. Now I have told about the line tool. From this you can draw any line of any thickness. It's your choice, right? Of any color you can choose. Like we have made of red, orange. Thickness you can change according to your wish, right? What we call it? Line. This is your curve too. So like this, what we do? Let's choose another color. Like this, you can draw it and you can make curve line. What we call it? Curve tool, right? Then you want to draw a pentagon tool. So like this, You can make pentagon. This is your pentagon tool, right? Now I have told you about the all the tools that we will use in our paint program. Hope you understood. Now our next topic is saving our drawing. Now we have made so many drawings. Now we want to save it. How we will save it? First of all, click on the file tab. The file menu appear. Click on save as option. Save as dialog box get displayed. Type the file name. Click on save buttons and you can save the drawing. Right? Let's save the drawing. You will go to file option, save as option, whatever in other format you want to save, and wherever you want to save, you can save. You can rename it A, B, right? And you can save, right? You can save like this. Now, opening a save document. So, for that, you have to click on File tab, click on Open option. The Open dialog box appears. Select the desired file wherever you want to save. Now, opening a new paint window. Now, you have to open a new paint window. How you will open? So, click on File tab, click on New option. I will show you the new option is there. Now, close existing paint. To close the paint file, click on the File menu and select Exit option. Now, here some shortcuts are given. Control plus N to open a new paint window. Control plus S if you want to save. Control plus U if you want to open a drawing, save drawing. Control plus W means to close a paint window. So, let me show you how to open a new file and how to close it. So, this is the way you can go to file, right, and new option. Like this, a new file will open. Now, if you want to exit it, you will go to file option. Here is the last option, exit. You will click and it will get exit. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.